Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Lowe's affiliate program for referral commissions, full guide step by step clearly. To register with Lowe's affiliate program for referral commissions, start by visiting the Lowe's affiliate program webpage. Look for a link or icon that says join now or sign up. Click on that link to begin your application process. You may be redirected to a third-party affiliate network that manages Lowe's program. Common platforms include Impact Radius or ShareASale. If you are not already a member of that affiliate network, you will need to create an account. Fill in your personal details, such as your name, email address, and payment information. Provide your website or social media information where you will promote Lowe's products. Make sure to describe your marketing strategy accurately in the application. After filling in the required information, submit your application for review. You may receive a confirmation email acknowledging that your application is being processed. Wait for an approval email, which can take anywhere from a few hours to several days. Once approved, log in to the affiliate network's platform using the credentials you created. Navigate to Lowe's affiliate program section to access your unique affiliate links. Familiarize yourself with the promotional materials and resources available. Now, you can start promoting Lowe's products using the affiliate links provided. Track your performance and commissions through the affiliate dashboard. Make adjustments to your marketing strategy as needed to maximize your earnings. And that's how to register with Lowe's affiliate program for referral commissions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.